Okay, so just after I filmed that, right, fire engine sirens, as you can hear, right? Okay. So to be fair, that lets me know this is some kind of skit that they're pulling off. See, war rats there, and this breakdown van is just there, right? And immediately sirens, right? I'd say this is some kind of skit. Because he's a perp. Him. He's a perp. And this is what they do, right? So they do this kind of shit all the time, you know, to try and, you see him doing hand signals too. You know, they do this shit all the time to try and you know, send subliminal messages. I guess the theme they're trying to send is breakdown or something. But yeah.